Today we're going to do a quick sketch of a basic sine graph, y equals sine of 1/2 x. So to guide us, we have a template on the left, 3 quick steps, and then we have our graph on the right. I've also included the general form for a basic sine graph, just so we can see where are we getting that a value and the b value. So step 1, find our essentials. A is just the coefficient out in front of sine. We have an understood 1 here, so that's 1. That's our amplitude or distance from midline to max or min. That will help us set our maximum and our minimum in step 2. B we can see is the coefficient of x. It's 1/2. And we're going to use that to calculate the period. So you do that using 2 pi over b. So 2 pi divided by 1/2, that's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal, so by 2 over 1. And that tells us our period, or the length of one horizontal cycle, is 4 pi. And we're going to use this to create a really easy horizontal scale. Take your period and divide by 4. That's pi. And so we'll count each tick mark on the horizontal axis as a single pi, like this: pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. So that 4th tick mark away from the origin to the right should always match your period. It does, 4 pi. And this ensures that each of our key points in step 2, which we're going to move to now, align with a horizontal tick mark. Before we do that, let's go ahead and mark our vertical axis with just a scale of 1. All right, so now step 2, we're going to plot our key points of a basic sine pattern. We start at the origin, and it's just first 0, max, second 0, min. So start at the origin. That's your first 0. Our maximum will happen at pi, that first horizontal tick mark to the right. Look at A, that'll be the y-coordinate. So we said the amplitude is 1, and that gives us a y-coordinate for our maximum of 1. Next horizontal tick mark at 2 pi gets another 0, that's 0, 2. Move to 3 pi. We're going to have a minimum here, so we'll get our y-coordinate value from looking at A and taking the opposite. All right, now we just have to sketch in this sine pattern. So here we have it. At 4 pi, we would start a repeat. So you can do this for as many cycles as you need, and this is a great quick sketch for sine of 1/2 x. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more graphing help and lots of other math tips.